The Inda Parade 2021 has been the 8th parade organized by the school. It is a 5-day-long moment that reminds us that Inda is not only a school but a community.
This year, for the parade, the reviews were carried out on Zoom due to COVID social distancing. But this allowed us to also get engaged with people that we would have normally not been able to invite for the review. We had a lot of international guests that were tuning in across different time zones. Having the parade online meant that we had to redefine our sense of scale.
Today, we are bridging between physical reality, AR, VR, and online platform to make a communication. So this Inda Parade 2021 proposed a theme of the butterfly dream to challenge the seamless dialogue between the realities.
The first time I read the concept of Inda Parade, which is the butterfly dream, the image of a butterfly burning, melting, and merging into its dream just popped into my head. And I think it will be a good representation of disappearing boundaries between physical and non-physical realm.
As a year 1 student, Inda Parade is like a conclusion of the work from whole years, and this is a good experience that I learned quite a lot from this event.
This year, VR space allow us to walk around the parade close to the real pin-up wall, and we as a student allowed to engage with the space more since we have more understanding with the platforms.
Since the parade in this year is being online, it gives us an opportunity to connect in that community together. Zhuangzi gives us an experience to experiment our design proposals in one-to-one scale, or how it will be perceived in the reality throughout the virtual platform.
Every year, in what is definitely a highlighted parade, we invite a number of renowned speakers as keynote guests to give a lecture. The topics of these may range from a retrospective of their own work to posing particular questions as a point of discourse. As an international program, our global reach with educators and practitioners is an important part of what makes us Inda. Not only as a form of internationalization or building relationships, but in particular to expose our students and our program to these diverse and exciting ways in which people practice and teach architecture and design globally.